Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tricks and Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve this confusing puzzle. I know, okay, let's get started. So I'm not going to tell you what is confusing, but I think you might spot what is confusing later in this video. Lewis drives from London to Brighton at an average speed of 60 mph. This is a keyword guys, 60 mph. The maths is all about like the numbers and like even the keywords like addition, subtraction. That's what maths is. We don't even need we don't even care about the name Lewis. We don't even care about London to Brighton for now because it's not needed in this thing. So look for the math keywords. That's the important thing. And maybe average speed, maybe average. But yeah, average speed means it's constant. Okay. On the way back, he gets stuck in traffic and his average speed is only 40 mph. What is his, and as you guessed, that's another keyword. What's this? Average speed. Average speed also here is for the whole journey. Now you can pause this video and I will tell you, you find this, you are smart, okay? Because this will confuse us a lot, okay? Now, can we get started? Yes, let's go. So, what might people have thought is that, okay, 40, 60, add them, 100, it's 100, and divided by 2, 50. And you can see it's exactly in the middle, 40, 50, 60. Or you can do it in your mind because, yeah, it's easy. Because 40, 60 in the middle way is 50, it's easy. This is the method. We add the two digits. So add the two numbers and divide it by 2 to get the middle root. And I would say, you might have said 50 mph is the answer. Am I correct? You might ask me. But I would say no. Why? Okay. Now this is the method I saw. And I did like two questions on like this and then I got it wrong. That's the thing. That's why it's interesting, yeah. Okay, so you need to know this method because you might get it in like a challenge or something. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, what's the correct solution is D, and I will explain why what we are doing. D D 60. What is this does is that distance divided by speed gives us time. Okay, remember that distance divided by speed gives us time. So this tells us the time, and it tells us the time for both of these. If I add again the distance is constant. They are both the same. Okay, so remember that D and D is the same. And I will write the 40. We know that's why I told to get the keywords. And then, how do I add this? And that's all one more thing. That's a technique called butterfly method, which applies in minus and addition of fractions. Let me use another color so that we don't get confused really. And I will choose red. Use radium. So guys, here we go. We do times. Okay, it's all about times here, and only one plus. 60 times D is 60D, and 40 times D is 40D. Actually, I have to do the other way around, but it's fine anyway. You get the answer and write the plus. If it's a plus, write a plus. If it's a minus, or minus. If it's a minus, you have to always start like this way, okay? But if it's a plus, it doesn't matter if you start this way or this way. But you have to start with this way because yeah, that's the thing. Then you put like this, and then you write, you also times this. Plus goes here. And 60 times 40 is 24,000. Now, now it like looks now something is different really. Yeah, it looks different, isn't it? Yeah, I also agree. It's like, yeah, that's the question. Why this method works is the big question. And now let me delete this. Let's see, guys. This is our thing. I'm going to choose another thing because color thing. Okay. The next step is that just added this 40D plus 60D is nice and easy. 40 plus 60 is 100 and both are D's, so yeah, 100D. And 24,000, I just write that. And don't worry about this, I'm going to erase this again. And we are only concentrating on this one. Okay. What do I do next is that I just erase 100 and 100. I erase two zeros and two zeros, and why am I erasing the 1 is that 1D is the same as D. So we get that D is to 2, 4. Okay. And you might ask, is our MPH 24 or something random? Like 96 or is it 16? Something you might ask me, but I will tell you. Even you might have thought 36. What am I minusing 100 minus 24 or something? Actually, I will tell you the answer. What do we do? You think really? The thing is, I said that we went one distance. How many distance I went? One distance. Then coming down two distance. Okay. Yeah, going on the way back and going, then on the way back. You're doing 2Ds. You see, we're doing 2Ds. That tells us, here we go guys, tells us that we need to get a 2D. And I'm doing times it by 2, times it by 2. It is 48. And we need for 2 distance. And MPH is 48 guys. It's not 50 MPH. I know it's confusing. But guys, this is our answer. So see, it's like a trick question, okay? That's why this is a challenge. And actually, I took this from a challenge. I did one challenge and I had this question, so I just want to share it with you. And yeah, so our answer is not 48 but with a 48 mph. And guys, this is our answer. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching and see you soon again. Bye.